In this video we will see how to show custom images on the bundle in the Wizio Bundle app. To get started, open the app from your Shopify admin panel, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can use the link given in the description to install the app. Once installed, open the app and then click here on Quantity Bundle. Navigate to Create Bundle. From here you can select template of your choice. Then you need to select the target and then select the product. Add the bundle information. Choose the layout, and there are other customizations you can check. Then scrolling down a little, look for an option that says add custom image. Then click on add image. From here choose the custom image that you want to display on the bundle. Do the same for other batches. Then you can customize the color theme, font style and size from here. You can check its preview in the right side and then click on save button to save the bundle. Your bundle will now be live and ready to sell. Click on view icon from here to check the bundle. And here it's visible. Make sure it's visually appealing and easy for your customers to understand. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.